That's way too big of a wing. We don't need that much. Hello, you guys. I know you're kind of up close and personal in my face. Ignore that for right now. But for this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys like my everyday makeup routine. So basically the makeup that I go to the majority of the time and what I usually wear every day. You know, sometimes I do change it up a little bit, but this is like the main thing that I usually do whenever I put on my makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah. Also, I got a new camera, so like you can see all of this nastiness. So yeah. Honestly, like I've been struggling with all this acne for a long time, and I really want to get health insurance so that I can go to a dermatologist and not spend a crazy amount of money. But at the same time, I really want to go on Accutane because I heard it just like cures it completely. So honestly, if I ever end up doing that, I'll totally like vlog that. I don't know where my primer is. Hold on. First, what I do is I just use this little simple Maybelline primer. It also has SPF in it, so it helps protect your skin from the sun. So we're just gonna put that everywhere right now. Definitely get the moisture up in there. And honestly, my face is like a mixture of oily and dry. But I feel like it's more dry than anything else. Especially like my T-zone. I don't know, I always put a little bit extra around there. Okay. So, next I have some Morphe concealer. So I just use this Morphe concealer. I don't even know what shade it is. C115. I don't know if that's the actual shade, but it's way too light for me, honestly, and my foundation's too dark, so like I kind of mix the two to balance it out, so you'll see what I mean. Super light concealer. And then I just kind of like cover up a lot of this stuff with it too. Alright, and then I let that sit for a second, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I look really pale right now. And then I'm gonna add my my foundation over the concealer. Everything's covered pretty decently. Oh yeah, and then for my foundation, I just used a BH Cosmetics liquid foundation. So yeah, we're just gonna have that on there. Everything looks somewhat even, covered pretty okay. Let me make sure my neck is like, okay, I need to blend that. Yeah, like I said, my foundation is a little bit dark, so it doesn't match my neck. So I just kind of have to blend it. But I have 2 whole bottles of this stuff, so I still have to go through this dark shade before I can get my actual shade. So, alright. So next I put some powder on to kind of plug those pores and dry the foundation a little. I know I'm not no expert on makeup, so this is just what I do. So yeah. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl my lashes. And this stuff is pretty tricky. I don't like this eyeliner at all, but gotta use what I have. Don't try to waste no product. So I'm just gonna apply a winged eyeliner look. One wing definitely looks better than the other, but let's try to even it out a little bit. Okay, that's way thicker than I wanted it to be. Why is it that when I film it, I get, like, worse at my makeup? Like, I'm really not this bad at my wings. I'm also not usually holding a mirror, so that probably doesn't help. Oh, Jesus, this looks so bad. Oh, this eyeliner sucks. Okay, we're just gonna have to, like, wipe some of that off. That's way too big of a wing. We don't need that much. We ain't no eagle. We just a little blue jay or some shit. Makeup routine gone wrong. I hate having to hold this stupid mirror, yo. You know what, I'm gonna be right back and do it without holding a mirror. 1 second. It was so much easier to put it on without holding a mirror. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. So let's go ahead and put some mascara on. Sorry about that, you guys. It was kind of a struggle. Now, go put some mascara on. And you gotta do the stupid face with it.
Okay guys, so I'm currently editing and I can see in my footage that I have a bunch of black marks all over my face, and yeah, I couldn't really see that in person as I was filming it, like while I was doing my makeup, so just ignore that. Okay, thanks, bye.
Alright, so now like the last thing I usually do, one of the last things I usually do, of course, is eyebrows, because I don't have any, as you can clearly see. So what I do is I just get like a brown color first, and I go over them. I don't know how people hold the mirrors. Like, I just need a sit-down mirror so I can look at it right here and film at the same time. Alright, so I just put all the brown on. Then I go in with a black color and like put it in like the middle end area. Like so. And then I just blend it down. Also, I don't know why my voice is like cracking, just ignore that. Alright, so I just added a little bit of darkness in that little area. Alright, so that's pretty much my eyebrows. Now, the completely last thing I do with my like everyday makeup is I normally just put a little bit of highlight on. I don't really contour that much. Sometimes I do, but like an everyday thing, I normally just use my Conspiracy Palettes Ranch and just highlight my face. So I'll do the tip of my nose and then like the edges of my cheeks. A little bit up here. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much my everyday makeup. Nothing crazy, just a simple winged eyeliner, mascara, foundation, and eyebrows. So yeah, but sometimes I will use like some eyeshadow and make some crazy looks or whatever. But this is usually what I go to whenever I like go to work or something. Sometimes I only wear foundation and eyeliner, or foundation, mascara, and eyebrows to work. Or I'll only do foundation and mascara if I'm like really in a rush. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. You probably haven't learned anything because I'm not a good makeup artist. But I hope it was still somewhat entertaining for you to see my makeup routine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment below any ideas that you have for me in the future. And yeah, subscribe to see more content. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.